Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smell at the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet song of melody pure and true, saying, this is my message to you.
It's not so bad. Don't worry about a thing.
Absolutely nothing. There's no need to go with them. Got no one that cares about you. Just stay in the cars. Everybody hates you. You and me. Because no one cares. So goodbye.
No, this is not the way. Can't you see this image is false?
Erroneous. How would you know?
Because this is not like him. He was never like this.
He who has always been like this. Can't you tell? Look at him.
Every little thing is going to be alright.
Need I remind you of what we just saw? He is alone, worthless, and he will always be this way. There's no more reason to go out, not even any reason to get up.
There's always a reason. There must be.
Well, then tell me. You can't, can you? You know I am right.
There's always a reason. I...
Worthless. There's no more need. No. It's time to be a free bird. The suffering must come to an end. Now go. They don't need you. You got no one who cares about you. Everybody hates you.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
No! There is always a reason.
There is always a reason.
Thank you for making me do this.